Do you believe that you can easily become a millionaire in this cycle? Hello guys, in this video I'll share with you how the meme coin super cycle can easily make you a millionaire. So what to expect in this video? Firstly, look at who is Morad that is behind the meme coin super cycle. Then we'll look at the Morad investment thesis. Yeah, then we'll look at the Morad super cycle portfolio. And finally, we'll look at how you can position yourself to become a millionaire in this cycle. So firstly, to start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when next I publish new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So who is Murad? Murad is an investor. He's an investor that believes that the crypto market or the crypto investment industry is very, very unequal. The inequality is huge, and the crypto industry is designed to favor VC, to favor VC instead of to favor to be. It is not an equal playing ground for all investors. It favor the VC and it does not favor the retail investor. Okay, so that is why VC backed coins, they have high valuations, and at the end of the day, once they are listed, they have high valuation. Once they are listed, they get dumped on retail investors. So this is happening on most of the infrastructural plays, infrastructural VC backed coins that we have out there, and this is a disturbing problem. And Murad, as an investor, he has seen the trend, and he thinks that the trend is shifting. It's shifting from VC focus to the community. So that means the crypto investment narrative is shifting from VC backed coin. People don't no longer want to invest in VC backed coin. What they want to do, people want to invest in meme coins. So there's a shift from VC backed coin to meme coins. Because meme coins are designed to make retail investors rich, to make retail holders or retail participants rich. So that is the cruise of the thesis of Morad. So Morad is an investor that believes that the meme coin investment or the crypto market is shifting from VC backed coins to the meme coin market. Now, here is what he has to say. Yeah, said pyramid of sophisticated wealth extraction. Token founders, zero cost basis. Now, this is how the investment space in crypto. This is how it works in crypto industry. Zero cost basis. VCs get to buy large percentage of the token cheaply. Angels get to buy large percentage of the token cheaply. Centralized exchanges get token supply plus dollars to list the token. Market maker get token supply plus dollars to market make the token. Twitter calls get token supply to tweet about the token. Telegram callers get token supply to talk about the token. YouTuber get token supply to talk about the token. Twitter traders cynically scam trade the perps on the token. Retail exit liquidity get dumped on. Now, what he's saying is that this is how the investment space in the crypto industry works. Down from token founders to VC to angels to centralized exchanges, market maker, Twitter co, all of these participants, okay, they get this token at a very low valuation. And once it is listed, it will be at a very high valuation, and it gets dumped on the retail investors. And this is a disturbing trend. It is happening, and it's disturbing. So because of this, retail investors are used as exit liquidity for investors. Okay, so this is for investors. Now because of this, there's a shift. Retail investors they are not interested. Are no longer interested in investing in VC back coins or back projects because they always have high valuation and they are always dumped on. So there's a shift from the VC back coin to meme coin. So this is what you need to know about Morad, and he's the one predicting the meme coin super cycle because now that there's a shift from VC back projects to meme coin, that means there will also be a transfer of funds from established institutions. Once they understand that there's a shift in the industry, there will be a transfer of funds from the other project in the industry to the meme coin sector, and this will lead to what we call the meme coin super cycle. So next, we'll now look at what are the investment thesis. What is his investment thesis? Okay, now Morad believes that the meme coin that will be the best performance are not just any meme coin, are not meme coin that are masquerading themselves as, are not coins that are masquerading themselves as meme coin, whereas they have been funded So he believed that the meme coins that will be the best performance are meme coins that have cult-like features. They have cult-like community, they have organic community, they have good ideas, they have good stories, and and this is growing organically. There's no VC funding. There's no cost. There's no unfair practice or dishonest practices behind this project. So this is what he has to say about it.
Going to be cults. What is a cult? It's a group of people that are extremely passionate about a cause. If you've been kind of studying any of the Silicon Valley blogs from early 2010s, you will see many startups are always trying to unbundle Craigslist. And at the risk of being a little bit blasphemous, I think what you're going to see in the future is the unbundling of religion. It is essentially a Swiss Army knife which offers a bunch of products. It offers identity, culture, escape, loneliness reduction, community, hope, and a bunch of other things. And I believe that religion is losing influence in the world, and brands, experiences, and communities are filling that void. You can already see that with video games, music festivals, yoga, DMT retreats, CrossFit, SoulCycle, keto, and obviously financial assets, right? You know how culty Apple, Tesla holders are, how extremely culty Bitcoin holders are, and I believe we're going to be seeing similar phenomena with memes. So meme coins have shared values, shared lifestyles, shared principles, and understand that memes themselves are only a part of this, right? And so it doesn't actually matter.
So what Murad is saying is that meme coins that have caught at the meme coin that perform well. So he is saying that his investment thesis is that meme coins that have cult-like features and the meme coin, cult-like features like Apple cult, like Apple, Bitcoin, and most of the high-performing projects in the crypto industry are the projects that we grow parabolic or that will go parabolic in 2025 and beyond. So this summarizes everything about what he has to say.
My predictions: 1 trillion for meme coins market cap. You're going to see 2 memes above 100 billion. You're going to see 10 memes above 10 billion. A quarter of the first page of coin market cap is going to be memes. 10% meme coin dominance. Utility and VC-backed alts will continue out underperforming. Fat protocol thesis will slowly die because building store of value and casino number 4 and number 5 is getting increasingly hard. VCs will be buying blue chip meme coins. Smart ones are already beginning to do so. TradFi will be buying meme coins. Smart ones are already beginning to do so. And you will see hyper meme coinization before hyper Bitcoinization. And a lot of people talking about economics of belief, tokenization of faith, and financialized new religions.
So what Morad is saying is that Bitcoin, that is what is predicted for meme coin. And then with meme coin, some meme coin will reach a market cap of $10 billion. Some will reach a market cap of billions, many billions of dollars. And this is what his prediction is about. Now, but let's look at the categories of meme coins that are part of his investment portfolio. Thesis. Which of these meme coins do you think he's talking about? Now, in this post, in this tweet, he was talking about the category or those meme coins that have the feature, that have the potential to reach 10 billion, 50 billion dollar in market cap. To make generational wealth in the upcoming meme coin supercycle, the upper part of the pyramid is what you need to identify. Few understand many way. Okay, so look at it. So the first part of the meme coin narrative is movement missions. It is less than 5 coins. Now, this means identify meme coins that are about movement mission. One of them, I'm going to show you his portfolio today, but one of them is a meme coin that was created to imitate S&P 500. Okay, movement missions. So the next one's lifestyle, brand, and subculture. And the other lifestyle, brand, and subculture is less than 10 coins. The other cost is less than 25 coins. So this means those ones that are less than 5 coins, it will be these are the coins, these are the meme coins that will grow to $50 billion. While those that are less than 10 coins are the ones that will grow to $10 billion. And those that is under coin that is less than 25, they will grow maybe between $1 billion to $5 billion. Now, your work is to identify this project and invest in them. Okay. So here is also what Morad is talking about meme coin dominance. So there's already meme coin dominance. In 2007, we had one meme coin. In 2021, we had 1,000 meme coin, and in 2025, currently you can see, or in 2024/2025, you can see that we have 1 million plus meme coin already. So this is significant. This signal a shift from VC-backed infrastructural back token or project to community-like project that favor retail investors. So next, we'll look at what are the portfolio, what are the coins that belongs to cult, the coins that belongs to lifestyle, that belongs to mission, that constitute Morad's investment thesis. So we'll look at it here. So update on Meme Coin Decentralization Metric. You want to see high, medium, moderate, rank, low, HHI. So let's look at it. Now, Michi, the first one here is Michi. The rank is 176. SPX 6900. Okay, it's on it. Apple Giga SPX is now on the soul version. RMB Locking F WOG Forecast Retadio Bitcoin Cefi Mini Billy Sigma Mog Sked Modeg. So these are some of the projects that Morad has, okay, in his portfolio. Now, this is not all the projects. What he's talking about is that if you understand his thesis, then you know how to identify and how to research for coins that belongs to movement, missions, lifestyle, brand culture, cult, and have good stories and good narrative. Then find this type of coins, find this kind of project, and hold them. Okay, so having identified this project, most of them are on Solana chain. I'm going to record a new video. In my next video, I record a video on this project and where you can buy the project, where you can buy this project or token from. So next, how do you position yourself to make the million? So that is the next thing we look at. To position yourself, you need to be a believer than a holder. The believers will outperform traders in this Meme Coin Supercycle. So that is Morad's slogan. Believers will outperform traders. So what that simply means is that you need to believe in a meme coin or in some meme coin, then you need to develop your own thesis and hold for a long period of time and be patient without doing anything, and allow this prediction to play out. That is what will guarantee you making a life-changing money or a life-transforming money. So there are three ways to make it this cycle. The first one, buy and hold OTS meme coins. The next one, hyper gamble on new meme launches. The third one, increase incredible sales specs trading streak. What they don't want you to know is that the first one gives you by far the highest chance of success. So simply put, if you are gambling, you are trying to trade every meme coin at launch. Now there's a high likelihood that you lose money. And if you are also doing future trading, help trading, okay, there's a high tendency that you lose your money. Now it is safe to buy and hold meme coins that belongs to those categories as explained. Hold it for a long time because the growth will compound and your earning or returns will also compound immensely. So believe in something. I'm telling you straight up, figure out what the top 3 to 5 hardcore cuts are. Bet big, contribute, and just hold for 1 year. It really is that simple. Now, what he's saying here is that the way to position yourself is simple. Conduct your study, conduct your research, and identify 3 to 5 hardcore meme coins, like meme coins that are cult driven, that are mission driven, that belongs to a lifestyle, that have good community, that are organic. Buy 3 to 5 of them, create a portfolio of 3 to 5, and hold it for 1 year. And hold it for 1 year and be patient. That is what you need to position yourself in order to make a life-changing money in this meme coin super cycle. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel, like and comment. There's a similar video here on the top meme coin to hold. You can also check it out as you do your research. It's very helpful for you. Check it out and you'll find it interesting. CoinDollar has a community, a Telegram channel where we give alpha and we guide people to make money in crypto on a daily basis. Click the link and join the community.